Question 6, we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle here. And I'm just going to go and label the sides. So the short side we call x, which it is. Then we move around to the hypotenuse, which is 2 times that value. And then we finish with the long leg, is what we call it. And that value is x times the square root of 3. So what I did is I made some equations here. If we use this equation, we can solve for x. Oops, I wrote the answer. I'm thinking ahead. So to get x by itself, what do? We divide both sides by the square root of 3. So x equals 19 square root of 10 over square root of 3. You can combine these square roots into one fraction, but it doesn't change anything. Like it's going to be the same thing. You can't simplify. So I'm just going to leave it like that with 2 square roots. That's x. 19 square root of 10 over square root of 3. And then the hypotenuse, we double that. So we're going to times this whole thing by 2. What we do here is we multiply just the numbers. 19 times 2 is 38. And then the square roots, they just come along and stay as they are. Square root of 10, square root of 3. We're only multiplying that 2 by the number. So 19 square root of 10 divided by square root of 3. And then I'm just going to copy paste this because the 19 gets multiplied by 2 to be 38. And then the other ones stay as they are. And again, if you look at the solutions, they're going to look a little different because they did something called rationalizing the denominator, which is not required.